What's up, everybody? Gonna do a little tape read today and see what kind of shenanigans we can pull out. So today's lesson is going to be identifying low probability conditions. And be very wise to have all these things on your charts that I have. I'm just gonna check it out. What's up, one friend watching? Alright, so 9:30. We went down first, traded into the new day opening gap here. That's nice. I would like to see price up in this fair value gap today. So I'm slightly bullish based on Asia made the day's low so far. If that holds, we're gonna have a few bullish days here. So right away I'm looking at this candle. And this is our bearish order block. So it's not a higher time frame array, but it is an array, and because I'm bullish, I want to see this broken. So as long as we can get some candles up in here before coming back down in here, that'd be sweet. So here's the regular trading hours gap from this candle's closure here to this candle's open here. It's already did its job. It can come back down to the order block and then take off. I would prefer it if it came to half, and it might have. Yeah, just about. Not quite half. It could still come down there. But it could have already done its job here as well. So let's keep that level on the charts. Go back to electronic hours. Now, if we don't see anything in the next half an hour, likely this day is going to be a flop. Let's take a look at the DXY. So the DXY went for a reclaimed order block. We got that. We're seeing sensitivity now. If I'm bearish on NASDAQ, then I'm bullish on the dollar. So I would like to see it come back up to here if it was bullish, but I'm bullish on NASDAQ. So we do have these buying pressure wicks down here. It doesn't have to come down here, but it'd be nice if it did. Bitcoin's deciding to launch, which is nice. ES has already dug into its fair value gap, and it looks like it's going for there again. Oh. Still tired. So ES has already dug into there, but that doesn't mean it's not going to continue. See this bullish order block here, how gorgeous it is. Right there. Look at how ugly this one is. So still in a bullish breaker, even in the weekly time frame as well. Hit that guy. So I'd like to see the dollar drop and NASDAQ rise. Now my eyes are primarily focused on here. It doesn't have to come up here, but it'd be really sweet if it did. So this is that new day opening gap that is on the top of the order block. Okay, so that quadrant there, boop, random. I do see these equal lows here. So maybe we'll come back into those by, maybe today, by the end of the week, maybe even right now. So this was that order block in the 15-minute. And you can't get up into the quadrant. We need it to snap out here right away. Bitcoin's snapping nice. There we go. Let's hang on the 5-minute for a bit. Let's see what's going on. So we got our little Judas into our higher time frame discount array. We've now got down close candles supporting down close candles. So order flow is engaged. We'll go back to the 1 minute if we get above this blue line here. And just so you guys know, I am not trading today. I have no accounts loaded. I got no interest in the markets. When London does that move, I'm not interested. So now I'm waiting, now that we've touched the blue line, I'm waiting for a closure above the blue line so I can confidently say that we're likely going to come here. If not, then it's likely this could be a Judas swing and we can run back down into here. And this is the opening range gap. So these darker lines here, what I want to see hold support until we get here. bearish order block after touching the quadrant. Now this is the bearish order block in the 15-minute. So I'd like to see it rush up and overtake this candle here. Nice snap up. Just like that. We'll hold it. ES is already reaching. Five seconds. Can we get a close above? Oof, perfect. Let it trade down a bit and aim for here. Back to the 5 minute, see where we're at. We couldn't get a close above that candle. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's not showing a lot of strength. So we're back snapping through this bearish order block here. We'd like to get a close above the midway point. This is the point where it can turn around. ES is almost back in the fair value gap. NASDAQ just peters around here. Watching this fair value gap right there. That one right there. Wow. And I'm not calling that displacement, but it's the start of something that could be out of control. So we hit our bearish order block. Now I'm seeing displacement to the downside. Digging back into the opening range gap, running out for that, looks like it wants to run out for that double bottom I was pointing out earlier. Why would it want to go there? Because everybody's chasing this. They're chasing this. They don't know what they're doing. So their stops are right here. So we'll mark that off. The sell side liquidity. And sell side liquidity. So let it trade up to some degree and then run down. So bang, target 1, target 2, and the midway point of the opening range gap. Oh, zoom out here. Oh yeah, this was the big double bottom here. Excuse me. But this was the one just above the midway point of our ORG. So now that we've touched this, we could friggin' freak out to the upside from here. From right there. We don't have to come down here. That would be, this is where I'd be looking for in my model. We just got a new 15-minute candle. Let's check that out. Bearish order block here, sunk it into, oh yeah, look at that, she's coming there. Oh yeah. Now that we've SR flipped that midway point of the opening range gap, watch what happens. Yes.
I was watching 308.
Yeah.
Like 308.
Yeah.
It's not even used yet. Oh, jolts. Did you see what June's jolts did?
No.
It was.
Oh yeah, I was there.
Do you remember what it looked like?
Freaked out. Honestly, this profile looks like garbage. Unless Asia's
This was June's jolts, and 10 a.m. is right here. And we went.
Wow.
With all this run up, and then we went.
Just so you know, I'm on YouTube.
Oh. No, I didn't know.
Sweet, thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
So, let's assume that my bullish bias is incorrect. Let's flip bearish and run towards this low. I would like to see this fair value gap hold resistance. This breaker right here with the unicorn right there. I want to see this snap into this low right here. In a sell side run, you're going to see magical things materialize. Order flow skills. So we were in the 1 minute. We got our close above the quadrant, the lower quadrant. We came in, couldn't quite reach into the midway point, and then made our displacement leg here. That's our market structure shift. This is everything. This is everything to us. This is how we can tell we're going to be in for a decent move. This is the market maker showing his hand to us. I am ready to go down now. I would love to trade this. But I kind of already missed it, didn't I? So our 15-minute order block, so beautiful. How many ticks did that offer so far? 145. There's your 3-to-1 R. Boom. Like no drawdown. If we don't, I would prefer it come up into here one more time. Not here, just here. See, we didn't quite reach the gray shaded area, so there's no entry. And Bitcoin came right back down. It looks rude today. So we got 22 seconds till our macro hits. When it wakes up, I want to see violence. Pretending to make an order block. That's not an order block. So the fact that it's not coming up into here shows me that price action is very heavy. So now we'll go into the 5 minute, mark off our up close candles. This one's our breaker. So the reason why I have this one marked off is because I'm anticipating it to get snapped through and then flipped into resistance. And this double bottom just looks too good now. Oh, can we get up into the fair value gap? That would be so awesome. There's a chance that I take a trade if we get up in there. Now the logic for sweeping this bottom here and not taking these bottoms here, generating more long liquidity on the idea of support. Price makes a bullish engulfing candle like this bugger here. Traders are triggered long. Stop losses below the equal lows, and wabam. So those who've been chilling with me, we know that price action likes to sweep singles, dangle around for a while, maybe run back up and do a premium, and then violently slam into here. That's what I'm looking at. One more nice rise up. So I guess I can get rid of this little. Nice. Whoa, what just happened, eh? Let's give a little peeky poo. This could be just a little order block to here. Let's see what happens. This is just becoming too much. So bullish order block on the 4 hour. If it's gonna get rough, it's gonna get rough real fast. And that double bottom just underneath the order block. So you see how these up close candles resisting new price? Oh, you love to see it. You love to see it. You love it. We have jolts. I think that's at 10 a.m., right? If that's a 10 a.m. folder, this could be our Judas swing here. I can't believe I missed my model. That's funny. You guys ever been in a move with you guys ever been able to forecast price action and not been in a move? It's not a very good feeling, but it goes away over time. It's something you're gonna have to become a master of, letting price run without you, even if you see it. So after we take these equal lows and ride into a discount, I'll be aiming for these highs. So I'll be looking for my model to the upside. And I still want to see this SIBI run into by the end of at least tomorrow. Oh, come on. Look at that. Look at it just teasing. Look at it teasing. Took that low, but not that low. This happens all the time. Watch it run back up to the up close candle and then dump. It'd be great if it came back up for a fair value gap first. So it's now touching the bullish order block in the 4 hour time frame. Okay, I would have wanted to see sensitivity out of that already. It's gonna tank. Vicious kisses. Mwah. Show me your violins. It's a reclaimed order block right here. And a rejection block here. That thing's got my interest. One tick away, not good enough. There's no fair value gap in here. The next one is right up here. So if it's gonna start climbing, it's probably gonna snap. We want to see one of these balanced price ranges or implied fair value gaps hold resistance. Like right there. It's first stop. Second stop right here. I hate when it does this. I just want it to run out the lows. Why? Why you do this? Because it's generating the trust me bro support. This is the, hey bro, lend me money. It's support. Trust me bro. Well, sometimes it works out for a bit. 99.9% of the time, it's going to get run out. So we just landed into here, and this is where I'd like to see sensitivity. Let's peek at our 5 minute. I like it. It looks really good. Do your thing, chicken wing. Next fair value gap in the 5 minute is right here in our breaker. Use the bodies even there. Now it's a unicorn. Bullish order block so far in the 1 minute, holding decently. That doesn't mean it's going to reverse forever. Just until it's done pretending to be support. And my kid just got up. So now I can get real loud. So if you're complaining that I'm too quiet, I'm about to turn it up. No, I'm just kidding. Wild berries. I'm late, but I'm watching. Don't let it happen again, buddy. Boom. Target acquired. So how far does this thing want to dig? That's what I'm interested in. So we've got our reclaimed order block. Just give me a couple minutes here. When did that hit too? That was 2 minutes ago, right? That was right at 10. 1, 2, 10, yeah. 10:01 starts. Bam! You love it. You love it. Look at this. How far is it gonna dig? Who knows? But look at that. Our model playing out beautifully, offering 407 ticks so far. You can't beat it. You can't beat this. Like, there's nothing like it. And it's a shame that I missed it and didn't see it, but it's fine. I don't really could care less. It's non-farm week. I just took that pool of liquidity and just tapped that candle. Hilarious. So getting some violence out of here. So this is going to be my bottom call. Somewhere in this 786-ish area. Now pull from the bodies and the wicks, so there's no surprises. 786 in this fair value gap and the inversion, I don't mind that. So I'll leave it up to you guys to study from here. Target acquired, model doing its job, and higher time frames doing their job. What did we hit here so far? So there's our bullish breaker here. And so far just ran up into the rejection block. So another choppy day. Who knows? It's non-farm week. I would like to see Friday blast up into here, but that's a gamble. Alright, I'm gonna go jump on Sam's stream. God bless you guys. We'll see you guys in the 99. Peace out.